Good morning, guys. Cheers. We are in New York City, New York Auto Show. Kind of a surprise trip. So I guess we're gonna make this a super chill vlog. I'm just gonna show you guys what I see since I've never been to an auto show, especially not a New York one. I do expect to go to an LA one soon. So I'll teleport inside. I want you guys to pretend you guys are my buddy today walking through the New York Auto Show. And I'll take you guys to the LA Auto Show. The biggest difference between LA and New York is it's fucking cold here. All right, guys, let's go. Right inside. Bought your tickets yet? I hope you did. I got mine. Anyways, it's on me. Any Jeep fans? Ooh, red carpet. Have you guys been on the red carpet? Well, come with me. Red carpet. And look at this. You guys want to go in there? Let's go in there. Oh, ramp. Right. Let's go. Oh, Wrangler.
Right here, sir.
Cool. Thank you. All right, guys. Have a seat.
Back there now?
Yep.
All right, guys, welcome to Catch Jeep. You guys are riding along in our 2018. I'm gonna take you guys on a series of obstacles to show you what makes our Jeeps trail ready. First up is the breakover obstacle. Florida Sahara. We'll flex that suspension over the front breakover point as we put that front right tire in the air, and we'll put it down right there. Use our four-wheel drive and pull ourselves through to our next obstacle. This is the off-camber obstacle. It's a simulation of an off-road trail. Up and over we go and back down to the bottom as we head down to our next obstacle. Is ground clearance. We have about 10 inches of ground clearance in our Sahara, so here at Camp Jeep we never take elevators, we always take the stairs. So up and over we go. And back down to the bottom as we shake all the loose change out of your pockets right here. We'll head over to our next obstacle. It's maneuverability. We'll use our four-wheel drive, our suspension, and the torque from our engine to maneuver through these off-road obstacles, also known as New York City potholes. All right, guys, last but not least is articulation. We'll put two wheels up high and two wheels down low as we articulate our suspension on this 30-degree tilt. We can hang out up here all day. We never have to worry about tipping the Jeep over because of the low center of gravity. Inside our Sahara, we have a 3.6-liter V6 Pentastar engine with 285 horsepower and 260 foot-pounds of torque. Unfortunately, guys, our traction obstacle is closed. There's no amount of four-wheel drive that can overcome the fact that metal, water, and rubber don't tend to get along when it's wet. All right, we'll pull all the way up to the front. We'll drop you guys off. One other cool feature our Sahara can do, we can drive through 20 inches of standing water at 5 miles an hour. All right, guys, that is your 2018 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sahara. Thanks for riding with me here at Camp Jeep. We'll pull all the way around the trees and we'll drop you guys off, so hang tight with me for just a few more seconds. We're gonna go all the way to the front. Come on.
What did you guys think of that ride? Not too bad, right? Let's wander inside and see what's going on here. Ooh, this is a big building. Holy crap. It's nice. Look at this. Rumor says there's a Subaru here. Let's go check it out. Dun dun dun. Do you guys need to use the restroom? It's right over there. If not, we can continue on, look for a Subaru. We should convert the Subaru like this. What do you guys think? Hit that thumbs up if you guys think that's a good idea. You guys want to go check out what's over there? They always have really sick wheels. Hey, since I'm a dad now, should I get a minivan? But y'all gotta appreciate that sneakerhead in the bay. Homie's got a minivan, all decked out, looks like a VIP and slam. Jeep, any Jeep fans? My neighbor has a pretty sick Jeep. Wow. They're taking strange families and kids on rides. Not bad at all. 6'2", a little tight back there.
I mean, okay. I'm skinny, so it works, but...
Okay. And you, little man?
He's 35 inches.
Aw. Oh, look at this.
What's your name?
Roof,
Marcus. No
roof. Hey, you guys still with me here? Look at this. First glance, doesn't this look like a Miata to you? Look at this. This looks like a freaking extended Miata. I can smell a Honda and a GTR for some reason. What is that? I smell something. Look, I do smell a Honda. Look at this. Hello, Honda. Oh my gosh, did someone take apart my car? Someone left my car here. You guys, a sick NSX. Hold on. Hold on. Gold wheels. There we go. Oh my goodness. Yes. This would be a nice lineup. NYPD. That's awesome. All right, guys, check out this Miata. I just kind of spent like 10 minutes talking to the officers over there, kind of thanking them for what they do. Ooh, okay, okay. Let's set up inside. You got a cage. Gosh, it's a picture of me in the future. Oh my gosh. And I'm working on Mazda. Did you guys know I had a Mazda 3 2.5 once upon a time? A 2.8, by the way. Had a lot of weird random cars, but Mazda makes great cars, man. I really liked my car a lot. The one thing that I did notice was it has a lot of cool features that are really advanced that even my 2009 Benz didn't have, but my 2008 Mazda would have. You guys know I love Chevys. I'm super biased about Chevys. But you guys know I used to own a Vet once upon a time, so I have like a natural love for them. They drive really, really well. Very fun, very powerful. Are you guys still with me? You still having fun? You guys need a break? You want to sit down? Okay, fine. I know you guys are tired. Let's sit down. Oh, it's nice. What a view. Enough of a break. You guys ready to have more fun? If you guys want to go camping with me, here we go. Put a little air mattress in here. We can sleep in here. Won't be weird. Mustangs, Mustangs. What else we got here? We got Camarons. Oh yeah. I feel like a true American right here. Bro, JDM for life. Psych. That's a Mustang. They got simulators. Okay, okay. Hi. As promised, we're over at the race section. Okay, okay. GTR, I see what you're doing. Full carbon, let's check it out. I know you guys like it. Full carbon, what's up? Mmm, the wheels I want that I cannot have. Oh, look at all this carbon. Oh, look at the Civic Type R. Oh, muscle. Q50S. There, is this on bags? No? Coils? Oh my god. This is on bags. This is on coils? Okay, this is on bags. Okay, I'm sorry guys, but I gotta go pee-pee. You guys wanna come with? Restroom break, check. If you guys are still with me, thumbs up for the long vlog. I'm sorry, but if you guys like it, let me know. And I'm kind of going back to vlogging. In the meantime, we are still in the search for the Subaru. Guess what? Next ride so I can shovel up all the haters. Get out of the way, people! Holy crap, I just realized there's multiple levels to this show. I thought it was only one. Okay, level 1 completed. Cool. Wandered into a different place. It's kind of like a career field place. So if you guys are looking into getting into the automotive industry, either mechanic work, support work, any of those type of things, they have these. Here, check this out. Something like that. Help you guys out a little bit. You guys ready to go upstairs? I know, there's stairs. Where's the escalators? I heard rumors about this Trans Am. You guys know about the Trans Am? So definitely it's a Camaro, but it's always been like this. So the Ford booth, always freaking huge. Let's check this out. You guys kind of see with the car in the distance. Oh, you guys know, a lot of you guys are Focus fans, specifically RS fans. Okay, Nissan Zone. I see a GTR. GTR. Nissan GTR. 2018 Nissan GTR Track Edition. 18 miles per gallon. The Track Edition comes with a carbon fiber wing. Looks pretty much the same still. The interior is really nice. I wish you guys could see this carbon fiber with a really nice dash. I couldn't walk past the Dodge section without showing you guys some beautiful Dodges. Oh! It comes with a kid. That's awesome. Oh my gosh, this is soda sassy. Turn up. Okay, okay. I like your music. Wow. 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 I'm in a trunk. Look. And the Kia Stinger looks good. It almost looks like, wait a second, it's a wide body. Holy crap, this looks good. West Coast Customs. I could definitely see me driving one of these. Weird, it's a Kia Stinger GT, wide body, built by West Coast Customs. Guys, found it. Subaru. Right over there. Oh, hello. Hello, STI. What? They brought back the gold. Oh shit, BRZ. Okay, sensory overload. Oh my gosh. 18 RA. NSX. NSEX. That's sort of nice. Jay Leno actually has number 3. That was the New York Auto Show. What do you guys think? In the meantime, I'm gonna explore the city a little bit. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. I haven't vlogged in a while. I'm glad to be back. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.